Hey guys, welcome to Living Life Barefoot. I'm Mallory. This is
Gavin
and
Dylan.
And today is Gabby's birthday. And he's 13 today. For his birthday this year, he decided he wanted homemade cookie bars instead of a cake. We've always ordered a cake from a lady here locally that's made him really cool cakes over the years, but this year he wants cookie bars, so that's what we're gonna do. And we thought we'd bring you along today as we make them. This is our favorite cookie bar recipe. We've had it for years. All right, first up is 2 sticks of softened or melted butter. You throw that in. Butter makes it better.
Come on. Need a spoon or something. There it goes.
Came out?
Okay.
And then let's just mix that up a little bit.
It went straight up.
Oh. Keep going. Next is a cup of brown sugar.
Came out with a chunk.
Here, half a cup of organic cane sugar. A half a teaspoon of baking soda. Leveled off there. Yeah. Go ahead and mix that a little bit. Whoa!
Jumbo.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. 2 eggs. One teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're gonna go ahead and combine this and mix it up for a little bit. Lightly add in, as you're mixing, 2.5 cups of flour.
Ingredient is mini chocolate chips.
The whole bag. And then you're just gonna pulse it and mix those in. Whoa! Go like 1.
Maybe we should put
Just
a
one.
wheel on it for doing that. Part is eating it after the dough.
I love the cookie dough. Okay, we have this all mixed together, and the next step is to put it on the pan. Preheat or put it in the pan. We're not gonna eat it all. You won't have any cookies. Fine. So preheat your oven to 375, and you're actually gonna bake them for about 20 minutes. So I have a little trick to easily smash these down so the dough isn't sticking to your hands. I used to put water on my hands and press on it, and that worked really good too. Just use parchment paper and press down on it. You guys want to do that?
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay, that's working.
Can you stick to the paper?
Watch. Let me show you. Bam.
Whoa.
Yeah, so then you just kind of have to like push it as you're, well, don't push it that hard, but yeah, you'll get, just like that. Should we sing happy birthday to you?
Sure.
In my lovely singing voice?
No. Not
Yeah.
that one.
Yes.
Maybe someone else can sing and I'll just do the birthday dance.
Mom, you sing. Go.
Mommy's not a good singer.
I know.
You know. Are we doing good?
Yeah.
Okay. Not too bad.
Let us know in the comments if you're gonna try this cookie recipe. Delicious.